Hi everyone. So Valentine's Day is coming up soon, and I decided to create a watch for my girlfriend as a Valentine's Day gift. So it's the first time I've actually built a female's watch. Hands are so fat. It's actually kind of hard for me to make smaller watches, but I'm gonna give it a try. And yeah, I hope she likes it. Let's go. So this watch was actually one of my hardest builds that I've ever so far in my watch creation journey, just because that my hands are so fat and the watch is so small. This is the first female's watch that I've ever made, and I actually messed up in the very beginning. Because my logo is a sticker, so I tried to apply the sticker on, and then I used my tweezers and I kind of scratched it on, not realizing that I would actually scratch up the dial as well. So that was my first mistake, and because my logo is a bit spacious in terms of the design of it, it was a bit too big for this watch dial, so I kind of just scrapped it and I decided not to use it. So the movement I'm actually using is an NH05 movement. This movement actually does have a seconds hand, but because it's so small, I also found that it's probably going to be hard for me to put the seconds hand on. So what I did was just scrapped it and I just used the hours and minutes hand. Just because I want to give her a watch where every time she looks at the watch, she's not stressed out about the seconds counting down on her day. I want her to kind of like enjoy the moment and just absorb the time that it is at that moment. I really hope that this watch strap actually fits her. It's a Jubilee bracelet and it's actually similar to her Rolex that she has, but I'm just really scared that even if I make it to the smallest size, it's still gonna be too big for her just because my girlfriend has a really small wrist. Yeah, so this is the watch that I made for my girlfriend, and I really hope she likes it. If you like what you see here and you want to see more designs in the future, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and follow my channel for my next experimental build. Alright, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye.